Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video we are going to learn about that how can we change the color of a hyperlink. So normally we see that hyperlinks have a blue color by default and it has an underline. So when you click a hyperlink, the color changes to purple. So how you can change this particular color, that is the by default color of blue will be changed to something else, the color you choose. So for this we have to open Notepad. So I'm using Notepad. You can use any editor you want. Let's type HTML head title. So let's give the title as changing the color of hyperlink. Title close, head close, body open. Let's give BG color equals, let's say blue. There won't be space between BG and color, and bracket close. Let's give AHREF as hyperlink reference. You can take the suggestion of the last video. Hyperlink reference has been explained in that video. So hyperlink reference equals to double quotes, and I will take a file, let's say this one, right click, properties, select the name, Control C and Control V dot HTML. That's an HTML file as well. Quotation close, bracket close. You will right click this link to open, A close. Now if I leave this like this in this format, the color of the hyperlink will be blue and it will be underlined. Okay, so what I will do here is just give a font color equals, say, white, bracket close, and right here I will close the font, and the anchor tag is already closed, and right here I will close body and I will close HTML. Control S, say changing the color of hyperlink dot the extension HTML, enter. Close this page. It's the window, and you can see here that this is a link but it hasn't come as link, so we have to check where the problem is. So right click, open with Notepad. Let's see where the problem lies. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, the space is a problem, so Control S again, and let's check it again. Double click, and now you can see this is a link. So you can see the link color has been changed, and if I click this particular web page is coming. So we have linked it successfully, but the color has changed. Even if I click this, the color remains the same. So this is how you can change the color of an hyperlink. See you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.